Hey guys. So this is for my TLC Total Life Changes people. Total Life Changes folks. Okay. So you quit TLC. Congratulations, you played yourself. Okay. So here's how it works. Okay. When someone joins a network marketing company, okay, what happens is that people start to tell people about the network marketing company or the products or the services that the network marketing company actually has, right? So say you join TLC, Total Life Changes, and you told 10 of your friends, or you told 10 of your coworkers, or you posted on your Instagram, or you posted on your Facebook in hopes to get a sale, right? And you didn't make any sales. Then you made a couple of sales, and you're like, TLC is not for me. I don't want to push health products. I'm not into health products. Okay. Bye-bye. You played yourself, right? So what happens now is, remember, you expose people to the business already. Okay? So what happens is, if you had 2 or 3 coworkers or 2 or 3 Instagram followers that were interested in Total Life Changes, guess what they're going to go do? Guess what they're going to go do? They're going to go research Total Life Changes. They're going to research what Total Life Changes is all about. Okay? What starts to happen is, what do people do when they research? They go on YouTube. They research everything on YouTube and Facebook, right? So now that you done expose them and you quit, they're going to now find me on YouTube and say, oh, this lady makes sense, right? She makes sense. Yeah, I want to detox. Yeah, I want to cleanse. Yeah, I want to go to the bathroom. Yeah, I want to have, more energy. Yeah, this lady makes sense. Guess what? Then they join my list, which is workwithtanisha.com, right? They join my list for TLC. I start to send them emails out because I didn't quit, because I'm not a quitter, right? So I didn't quit, right? And now they're on my list, and then guess what? They buying a month's supply of tea from me. They buying a week's supply of tea from me. They getting them some love. They getting them some NutriBurst from me, all because of your efforts, because you quit. And that's not just Total Life Changes, friends. That's every network marketing company. People quit. They post on social media. They post one post on Instagram. They post one post on YouTube, or they post one post on Facebook. No one signs up. No one joins. No one buys the product, and then they quit. Meanwhile, the post is still there, right? They done sent their people already information about it. Now their people are interested. So they find me, and guess what? I make the sale. So thank you. Continue to quit. Be a quitter. You quit on your family. And guess what? When you quit, all you're doing is going back to the same thing that you were doing. If you were doing your job and you joined Total Life Changes because you hate your job and you want to make extra money, guess what? Now you're going back to your dead-end job that you don't even like. Now you're going back to your dead-end job, friends, that you don't like. So now you're not in TLC anymore. You're not in another network marketing company anymore, but you're still at your dead-end job. So that makes no sense. You didn't quit your dead-end job, though. Right, so why quit TLC? Why quit network marketing? Yes, you got to recruit people, but we recruit people every day. When I go to Red Lobster, or I go to Cheesecake Factory, and they got a new cheesecake, I'm coming and telling my sisters, I'm coming and telling my aunt. Guess what? They're going to go buy them some cheesecake. Cheesecake Factory ain't finna send me no money because I referred them. No. When I go to the movies, I saw the, the Executor or Equalizer, right? I told, my aunt it was good. If she go see it, the movie theater ain't sending me a fucking $10, $20 referral fee. No. But that's why you join network marketing, friends, because network marketing allows you now to refer products to others and get paid. We're doing it every day anyway. Why not get paid for it? And like I said, if you quit TLC, you played yourself. Because right now, I got me a little baggie. I'm about to go make $35. That's gas money. That's gas money. So guess what? I'm going to take that TLC T money and put it in my car for gas. While you quit, okay? Because I got I got a handful of customers that said, well, this lady quit and she was giving me the tea, so I didn't know where to get it. So I went on YouTube, I saw your video, so I decided to buy from you. Well, whoever lady you are, thanks for quitting, because you just got more exposure for me to make more money. It's very simple. Make sure you get some of these positive eye bracelets, the evil eye, which is amazing. Right, evil eye stuff right here. Some of them have tassels, some of them don't. I like both of them. These are good too. So you quit TLC, you played yourself. You quit TLC, you played yourself. TLC is the best health and wellness company on the planet. There's no company that allow you to get 50% commission. Okay, no company. Okay, in network marketing allow you to get 50% commission on being your own customer. You're getting 50% commission. Then every time someone goes to your website, you're getting 50% commission. And then when everybody joins, or whoever joins, you're getting 50% commission. Then once you have a team building, then you get 50% check match. There's no other company that does that. But you quit, so you don't give a fuck. You don't give a fuck about the pay plan because you quit anyway, right? And that's how it works, friends. 98% of people quit network marketing, and only the 2% are the ones that win and keep winning. You know, I'm being TLC 3 years, right? It'll be 3 years coming January, right? I'm still selling tea. Cash money. I got cash for the girl. The girl got cash. I'm going right now to meet her. It takes me 10 minutes to go meet the girl, to make a $35 sale for 2 packs of tea, and I'm giving her some extra tea, some instant tea. She may like the instant tea, and if she does, then I'll just start selling her the instant tea. And that's it, friends. But you quit, so you ain't gonna be able to experience getting $35 sales to put gas in your car because you done quit already. So congratulations, you played yourself. But if you are not in TLC, and you're interested in health and wellness, you're interested in getting paid for getting healthy and losing weight, go to workwithtanisha.com, guys, and make sure you get some bracelets. See you soon.